Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're joining me. Today we are looking at the KEYWING Phone Camera Lens Kit. This kit comes with 9 different lenses and it simply clips onto any phone. The kit does come with a microfiber cloth so that you can wipe off your lenses without scratching them. This clamp is completely universal, so all you have to do is screw on a lens, clamp it onto your phone, and position it so you get a clear picture. This 9-lens kit includes a kaleidoscope lens, a starburst lens, a CPL phone lens, a 15x macro and a 6.3x wide-angle lens, a 2x telephoto lens, a 198-degree fisheye lens, a 20x macro, and a 0.36x super wide-angle lens. So now that you have an overview of this kit, let's put this thing to the test and see how it actually works in the real world. You will get a clamp, and this is what you will use to screw the lens onto. Once you screw on the lens, you can then position this onto your phone's camera. I would recommend removing your case to use this lens kit, as if you have a case on, it will kind of show black edges on the camera screen. Now moving on to the 9 different lenses included in this kit. I'm happy with the build quality of these lenses. They seem very well made. I'm going to show a few sample videos and photos using these lenses. I will then label those so you can know what lens is being used at what time. Please note that if you want to use any of the wide-angle lenses, they must first be screwed onto the corresponding macro lens. The kaleidoscope, CPL, and starburst lens have a rotatable ring on the front. By rotating the end of the lens, you can vary or change the effect of the lens. This kit is sold on Amazon for $27.99. Considering the price and what you get in the kit, I definitely recommend this. I think you get a lot of usability and a lot of creativity and a lot of fun for this price range. Well, that concludes today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you guys later.